Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And we have two options how to enable or disable this mode. We can use the application or we can use gestures. I will show you both. Firstly, let's move to the application. Open AWEI Live. Also on iOS you can install AWEI Connect and you can add these earbuds to the app. I will tell you how to find this feature, but it's the same actually with AWEI Live. Right now it's not available for Android devices, this application AWEI Connect, but it's available for iOS. Okay, so open AWEI Live, tap at the headphones at the device list, and right here we have noise control. On the AWEI Connect, you have it at the third line, so where I have spatial audio, but the same icon, it looks the same text. So, to enable ANC, you need to put your earbuds to your ears, because without it, you cannot enable ANC. Let me prove it for you. I click on it, and I have information that I need to wear both earbuds. But maybe you enable ANC with one earbud, then you can enable it with one earbud. But I have it disabled. So we put it to the ears, and now click at the ANC, and we use it. You can also select modes. To disable ANC, switch to the transparency or to the normal mode. Okay, also we have gestures at the back side of each earbud. At the top, we have touch areas. By default, you should press and hold at the touch areas at your left or right earbud. So just press and hold. Let me put it to my ear. And now I use normal mode. Press and hold. I will switch to the transparency mode. Press and hold again. And you switch to the ANC. To disable it, press and hold one more. And you will switch to the normal mode. And that's it. Also, you can customize it if you want to. Scroll down, click at the gesture control. At the headphone HUAWEI Connect, you have it at the left side. The same icon, the same text. Click on it. Go to the press and hold, and right here you can disable some of this mode. If you don't need, let's say, transparency, just disable it. But you cannot disable more than one, because you need to use two modes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!